everyone. I'm going to talk to you guys about varying your sentence structure, specifically by creating compound sentences. So, good writers, as you know, they always strive to vary their sentence structure, which creates rhythm and flow, and it keeps your readers interested. And you want your readers to be interested in order to convey whatever message it is that you're trying to convey. Today I'm going to teach you guys about compound sentences. Compound sentences is when you are combining two independent clauses. Compound sentences are what we use in our writing to force our reader to note the relationship between ideas being expressed in the independent clauses. They're much more sophisticated and they add a richness to your writing to convey your message. Luna is our spokesperson for the day, and I appreciate her help. Let's first look at what a simple sentence is, otherwise known as an independent clause. So here's our first one. Luna is my dog. That is a simple sentence and an independent clause. An independent clause is when you have a subject plus a verb. Very simple. Okay, so these are all simple sentences. She still had her bones. She needs a bath. Luna missed the toy. All of these are simple sentences. We are going to combine these and make compound sentences. So let's get started. So how do you make a compound sentence? Take a simple sentence, otherwise known as an independent clause, plus a fanboy, which is for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, and semicolon, plus another simple sentence, or otherwise known as independent clause, and that equals a compound sentence. All right, so let's clarify what a fanboy is first before we move on. I think most of you already know fanboy is a coordinating conjunction. So let's take a quick look at this. A conjunction is a word used to connect clauses or sentences. These words tend to be small, however, they serve a very large function. They connect coordinating ideas together, forming cohesive, comprehensive ideas. They help to eliminate short, choppy sentences. So what we're doing here in learning how to use compound sentences in our writing is creating that varying sentence structure. We do want some short, simple sentences, but we also want to have compound and complex, but we'll get to complex another day. So let's look at all the different fanboys. So we have for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, as well as a semicolon. Just quickly go through the meaning of these small little conjunctions. For means because, seeing that, since, and means in addition to, also, nor is used to present an alternative negative idea to an already stated negative idea. But is, however, on the contrary, opposite of, or presents an alternative or a choice, can also mean otherwise. Yet means though, still, nevertheless, in spite of that. And so indicates effect, result, or consequence, can also mean therefore. Then the beautiful semicolon. You guys know that I love the semicolon. It's a punctuation mark, which does indicate a pause between two independent clauses. But what I do like is that it links these two clauses that are closely related in thought into one sentence. Let's look at taking two independent clauses and combining them with a coordinating conjunction in order to make a beautiful compound sentence. Let's look at these two examples. Number one, Mrs. Teter is making an iMovie. So that is an independent clause. It is a sentence that can stand by itself because it has a subject and a verb. The subject is Mrs. Teter is making is a verb. Therefore, you have a complete sentence. Let's look at number two. It is trash. It kind of is. It's okay. It is the subject, is the verb, and therefore we do have a complete sentence. That is an independent clause. Let's combine them. Mrs. Teter is making an iMovie and it is trash. So we have our independent clause plus a comma and fanboys, which is and, plus independent clause. And that equals a compound sentence. Mrs. Teter is making an iMovie and it is trash. That is a compound sentence. Let's just take a moment and look at this beautiful poster of somewhere in the Caribbean, and I really want to be there. So let's look at some better examples using my cute little puppy, Luna. Luna is my dog, and she is very cute. Luna is very dirty, so she will get a bath. Luna sits on the couch, or she sits by the window. Luna wants to chew the shoes, but that is very naughty. I took this toy away, for it is very loud. She didn't want to play with me, nor did she even want to look at me. Luna missed the toy, yet she still had her bones. Luna is a good girl. I love her. These are all compound sentences. Luna is my dog and she is very cute. So remember, an independent clause plus fanboy plus an independent clause equals a compound sentence. So separately, each of these sentences is its own independent clause or simple sentence. When you read them as simple sentences, it sounds much more choppy. Luna is my dog. She is very cute. Luna is very dirty. She needs a bath. And so on. And that is one of the reasons why we make compound sentences. Compound sentences force your reader to note the relationship between the ideas being expressed in your independent clauses. They're more sophisticated and they add a richness to your overall conveyed message. Thank you to Luna for being a great sport while I make my video. Did anybody notice my misspelled word? Thanks, Luna. Let's go take that bath now.